What is up, guys? Mr. Oswald here, and today I'm going to bring you guys a Skylake $500 PC build for the month of September. This build will provide 1080p gaming, medium to high settings at 60 FPS, no problem. For the CPU, we chose an Intel 6100. This, in my opinion, is a great budget Skylake chip for only $120. For the GPU, we went with the GTX 950 Super Clocked Edition, which is a great budget card for 1080p gaming. The motherboard we chose was an ASUS B150 Plus ATX motherboard that supports up to 64GB of RAM with 3 PCI slots, all for $92. We couldn't go wrong with this because it offers you room for upgrades in the long run, like if you wanted to upgrade to an i5 or even an i7. For storage, we just decided to go with a Kingston Digital 120GB SSD Now V300. Now, you can always upgrade to a 1TB hard drive or SSD in the future. I'll leave some links below. For the RAM, we chose 8GB of Crucial Ballistic Sport for super fast speeds for gaming on a budget. And I went with the best budget power supply, a 500W Bronze 80 Plus certified by EVGA. Again, you'll be buying a decent power supply for a great price. All this inside a Corsair Carbine Spec 01 case. But be aware, this case only comes with one front-facing fan, so you should purchase another fan. Besides that, it's a great budget case by Corsair that lives up to its name.
I'ma shout out Bobby, cause 6 in there like, oh my goodness. I just did that for the ad light. Keep that. Yeah, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. Yeah, keep all that shit. And like, oh my goodness, oh my, and that shit. Like this. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God, I'm coming with the goodness. Acting like I ain't been in it, like I ain't been pushing my limit. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. PLP, but fuck around, get the fade up. They shit is made up, straight up. Call me Bobby Tarantino, living on the level, and I'm prophesizing everything we know. Because of the internet, I made $1 million and another million. That's where the Gambino, he one of the realest. I swear he the realest. But anyway, back to the subject at hand. I just performed for an hour, and made myself $100,000. Like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. Woo! That's lit. That's gonna be the hook right there. Yeah. I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. I just beat that Uncharted 4. Bitch, I've been at it. Rap hack, if you live and you die by that shit, get it tatted. I think I done had it. Now hold up, wait up, leave them laid up. This for every single night that I stayed up. Real all the time, now this shit never made up. No, it's never made up. No, it's straight up. Straight up, bitch. I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God, I'm coming with the goodness. Acting like I ain't been in it, like I ain't been pushing my limit. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. PLP, but fuck around, get the fade up. They shit is made up, straight up. Yeah, it's that flexecution, I want retribution.